What up, everybody? Welcome back to Knott's Network Vlog. We are 5 weeks away from Scary Farm. We are back at the farm. I got Mary out of the cave this time. And we're back at the farm again for more Scary Farm updates and see what other kind of trouble we can get into. Enjoy our journey. I know we said it last time, but look at these nice new railings. They look nice and fresh. Green. My favorite color. Ooh, what is all that? That must be holding conduits, electrical lines, plumbing lines, and stuff like that, I'm assuming. Yeah, that wasn't here last time. Right? That thing right there. I'm talking about this apparatus. That's so they could run stuff to the other side. Yeah, all these nice new railings. Oh, it looks like they've trimmed some stuff. And there's a new fence way over there too with a nice fresh K on it. Oh, there's one over here too, so I'll just film that one. Yeah. Nice new gates. Fresh K on it. Exit to Pumpkin Eater. Yeah, that's the exit, right? To Pumpkin Eater. We are gonna go say hi to Snoopy. It's his birthday. Where's he? He's right there. There's Snoopy. Hi, Snoopy. Happy birthday, Snoopy. Smoothie. What'd you get, Mary?
No, an alcoholic boysenberry smoothie. Hey y'all, there's some antics going on at the schoolhouse.
Wait a minute, that little short dude! You used to talk with an Italian accent. We were arrested. Ladies, bacon? That ain't bacon, it's ham. Either way, you just have no country and make up your opinion. Now, I don't care, it's an American opinion.
More Scary Farm progress. Yeah, more Scary Farm progress. Get that weekly Scary Farm updates. This is the entrance to Origins. Right, Mary?
Right.
It's the entrance, right?
Yes.
Yes. The entrance. And then there's some more wood over there. Wallwood. Origins at the Wilderness Dance Hall, y'all. Alright, now we're gonna get some food at the Wilderness Broiler. Mary wants to check out some new menu items. Yeah. Pony Express rocking 2 trains. Okay, we got our lunch. I got the spicy chicken sandwich. It's got jalapenos, spicy chicken, some spicy sauce. It comes with fries, and then here's the fillings. And then Mary got...
I got the Taste of Knott's limited edition fish and chips at Wilderness Broiler. Now this item is only available now all the way to August 22nd, so be sure not to miss out. And also it comes with the meal plan, so you can get it. Yeah.
Meal plans. Yes, this is a part of the meal plan as well, the spicy chicken sandwich. And then we got lemonade to drink, and Mary has a boysenberry smoothie.
Non-alcoholic. You can also get it with alcohol at the saloon. Vodka.
Memory Lane. Oh yeah, this is going to be a scare zone now. A new scare zone. Goring 20s. I say it right? Goring 20s? Goring 20s.
And then Puppet Up's coming back.
And Puppet Up's coming back. Yeah, we're excited for that. Mary loves it. Mary loves it.
Puppet Up.
Along with some other shows as well. Get a lot more entertainment this year for Scary Farm. That's nice. They've kind of weaved away on the entertainment the last couple of years, but it looks like it's coming back. Let's go in here. Check out that berry jam that's sold here. I hear you could also get it online as well. Is it in here? Yeah, there it is. Berry Factory Jam. More sky jump merchandise. I remember when they made these for Windseeker. I think I still have mine, actually.
There's hey.
Oh, there we
Allison,
go.
Allison,
There we
there's
go.
your Kingdom of the Dinosaurs merch.
Kingdom of Dinosaurs merch. It's a hoodie. And then we got t-shirts. All you KOD fans. Yeah. Sweet time. New shirts. The Peanuts Gang. Watch your step. Whoop. Bam. I'm glad we got more of her though. Alright, we are heading back to the train to get some views on that new mystery maze. We call it Mystery Maze because we don't know what it's called yet. I'm sure within a few weeks Knott will announce it.
I see a bandit.
Maybe they'll announce that new maze when the tickets go on sale. Who knows? We'll see. Tickets go on sale August 16th, right?
Yes.
Yeah. We are making our way to the Calico Railroad. Yeah, we are on the Calico Railroad. The conductor is just making sure everybody is remain seated. So we will be leaving soon. We are going to get another look at the Scary Farm maze being built underneath Accelerator. Yeah. Mary hates me right now for sitting in this open air car, but you know what? Everywhere's crowded. See in there? There's people. We got some friends with us though. Here comes trouble.
Alright, hands in the air, this here's a robbery. Now which one of you got the money?
She got the money.
All done right?
Yeah,
You got all your
she's
money?
got the, yeah, she's got all my money.
Alright. How about you all down here? Who's got the money?
Howdy. Oh, you made my day.
Ooh, more stuff. More stuff added. Yeah. Oh, and look it, there's the haunt crew at work. Hey, they got in full swing right now, you guys. They are in full swing. 5 weeks to go. 5 weeks to go. Check out these LED strips for nighttime. LEDs are the way. I like the open air gondola, even though I'm like sweating like crazy right now.
Standing can affect a citizen arrest? Well, first of all, his posture is terrible. And more to the point, he ain't in good standing with nobody. He's on the wanted poster right next to me.
Well, holy underwear, some of that actually made sense. Word, that part about him being on the wanted poster, that is very astute of you.
What?
Astute.
Bless you.
Thank you. Wes, you ain't in good standing, dude. You're a wanted man.
Only by the law, sir, nobody else.
Well, that is the understatement of the year.
Look, man, I don't think you can affect a citizen's arrest. And furthermore, I don't think you're entitled to any reward money.
But he lacks in intelligence. He more makes up for in stupidity.
Well, in that case, I changed my mind. Citizen on arrest, run for it,
Stop, stop, or I'll shoot.
What?
I'll shoot.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh, they got away again. That is 3 times their dudes have escaped. I declare the slipperier than a pig in a butter dish. And I'll make this promise to you, good citizens of Calico. Know in your hearts, before this day is through, I, Deputy Mayor Milton C. Howell, your sheriff in training, will bring them to justice! All right, and meanwhile, I'm going to go have me another bag of popcorn.
They started covering up lights and stuff. We're exiting though, we're exiting. We had a fun little update for y'all. We're gonna still get some stuff outside though, from whatever we could see outside at least.
Yeah.
Yeah? And it's starting to get warm. So yeah, it seems like right now in the mornings you have about 2 hours before it starts to get crowded to the point where every line is full. I mean, the park doesn't seem crowded, but they're just all on the rides, that's why. We're gonna walk past all y'all. Okay, we are outside. We are outside the park. We are gonna make our way towards that section and see what we could see for Maze Build. There's Waxworks, the backside of Waxworks, right?
Yeah.
The backside of Waxworks. There's the tech room probably. There's a room right there.
I wonder how old this fountain is.
Older than time. Okay, let's go walk over towards the depths. Zooming in, there's paranormal activity, and there's pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns to be precise, and there's the depths. It looks like they've cleaned up the back a lot. They're getting ready.
Have you been here? I've been here once. It was the scariest thing I've ever hated.
Yeah, it's scary. It's scary, guys. It's so scary. It's not scary fam. There comes Ghost Rider. Oh, never mind. That's not the spot Ghost Rider is. But yeah, okay.
Speaker.
Yeah, that was there last time. Ghost Rider, fly by. Oh, never mind. Alright guys, we are heading back to our car, back to our parking lot. I want to talk a little bit about the parking situation here. If you notice, people were still walking in that way from the south lot. That's because we noticed they're trying to control traffic a little more. Alright guys, we're out of here officially now. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new here, hit that bell because we will be coming every week to get you new updates for Scary Farm. We are 5 weeks away. Huge shout out to our Patreon supporters, Tom and Albert. If you guys want to support us, check out our Patreon. We also have lots of new merchandise you can buy on Teespring. Check us out, Knott's Network.
It's a lot of really cool, like, roller coaster themed merchant t-shirts. You should check it out. They're really funny.
Yeah, and yeah, there you have it. Another fun, warm day at the Maybe, where are you? I can't see these glasses. They're like blinders. Where is she? Mary. Mary. Oh, there's the chicken right there. I flipped the camera. There's a chicken.
And one's right there, red, like, ready to get run over.
Oh no. Oh my god, those people almost ran it over. People are savage. Oh, poor chickens aren't scared. Oh god. 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 Ah! Buck, 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 buck.